Okay, so now we will learn some words related to school, such as the homework, book chapters, a semester, cheating to graduate, failing, passing. So let's give it a try. The first word we have is tarea, which means homework. La tarea, the homework. Tarea. So we learned this word several times already. Tarea. And the next one is página, which means a page. Página, page. And the next one is folleto, which means a brochure. Folleto, brochure. Folleto. And the fourth one is capítulo de libro, which means book chapter. Capítulo de libro, book chapter. So one more time, tarea, homework, página, page, folleto, brochure, and capítulo de libro, book chapter. So these ones are simple. So let's look at some examples. Here we have a long phrase. Tengo mucha tarea. Tengo que leer 3 capítulos del libro y hacer un resumen de 2 páginas. Tengo mucha tarea. I have a lot of homework. Tengo que leer. I have to read 3 capítulos del libro, 3 chapters of the book. Y hacer un resumen de 2 páginas. And make a 2-page summary. Un resumen, a summary. So the word for summary is resumen. So yeah, this one is a long phrase, but it's understandable. So one more time. Tengo mucha tarea. Tengo que leer 3 capítulos del libro y hacer un resumen de 2 páginas. Okay, and the next one. Estos folletos son solo de una página. These brochures are 1 page only. Estos folletos son solo de una página. Only 1 page. Solo de una página. They are 1 page only. And so yeah, this one is simple. Estos folletos, brochures, una página. Only 1 page. Okay, let's try the next example. Then we have entregar, which means to turn in or to deliver. Entregar. So if you need to turn in, for example, your homework or some work, we would say entregar, to turn in. And entregar also means to deliver. So if somebody delivers your mail, we say entregar. And the next one, quedar. Quedar means to be left or to stay. Quedar, to be left, to stay. Quedar. Okay, so let's try these ones for example. So quedar can be used, for example, if you have 1 page left, you can say, oh, queda una. There is 1 left. Queda una hoja. There is 1 paper left. 1 sheet of paper left. Queda una. There is 1 left. Or if you want to stay somewhere, for example, you're in a trip and you say, oh, I want to stay here. You can say, me quiero quedar aquí. I want to stay here. Or me quedo aquí. I stay here. Me quedo aquí. So yes, quedar. And let's try a few more examples, a few more words. The next one is reprobar. And reprobar means to fail. Reprobar. To fail. Reprobar. So if you ever fail a test, we would say reprobar. But we do not use reprobar with examples that are outside of school. So reprobar is only used for school or for something in school. So you can fail a test, you can fail your homework, reprobar. But if you fail, for example, at finding a job, we would say fallar. To fail also, fallar. Fallé en obtener el trabajo, fallé. If you fail at, I don't know, something in life, you can say, oh, fallé en eso. I failed at that. Fallar. So yes, reprobar means to fail related to school, fallar related to the real life, to the outside life. The next one, hacer trampa. Hacer trampa means to cheat. Hacer trampa, to cheat. Trampa. Trampa means cheat. So hacer trampa to basically to do cheating, basically. And the next one, aprobar. Aprobar means to approve something. Aprobar. So we use aprobar related to school. So if you pass a test, we would say aprobé el examen. Aprobé el examen. I approved the test, basically. I passed the test. We can also use the word pasar. Pasé el examen. I passed the test. Pasaste. You passed the test. So yes, aprobar or pasar, to approve or to pass. One more time. Reprobar, to fail. Hacer trampa, to cheat. Aprobar, to approve, to pass. Aprobar. And the next one, here we have semestre. Semestre means the semester. El semestre. The semester. Semestre. And the next one, año escolar. Año escolar means the school year. El año escolar. The school year. Año escolar. And the next one, graduación. Graduación means graduation. La graduación, the graduation. So yeah, graduación. One more time, semestre, semester. Año escolar, school year. And graduación, graduation, graduación. Okay, so let's try some examples. The first example. Si no entrego la tarea, voy a reprobar. If I don't turn in the homework, I will fail. Si no entrego la tarea, voy a reprobar. If I don't turn in the homework, I will fail. And the next one. Si hacen trampa en el examen, van a quedarse en detención después de la escuela. It's a long phrase. So let's break it down. Si hacen trampa en el examen, if you cheat on the test, van a quedarse, you will stay, en detención, in detention. Después de la escuela, after school. So detención refers to detention. In the US, whenever you do something bad, you get detention after school. In my school, in my case, it was before school. So we had to show up to school at 6 a.m. and from 6 a.m. stay in a room until 7:30 where we can go to class. And the real punishment would probably be your parents angry that they have to wake up at 5 a.m. to take you to school. Okay, so yeah, detention, detención. And I hope you don't have to experience it, or maybe experience it after school, not in the morning. Okay, the next one. Okay, one more time, we have to read it one more time. Okay, now in fast Spanish. Si hacen trampa en el examen, van a quedarse en detención después de la escuela. Okay, let's try the next one. Tengo que aprobar el examen para poder ir a la graduación. I have to pass the exam in order to go to graduation, to the graduation. Tengo que aprobar, I have to pass, el examen, the exam, para poder, to be able to, go to graduation. Ir a la graduación, to be able to, or in order to go to graduation. And the next example. Empiezo el primer semestre del año escolar en agosto. I start the first semester of the school year in August. Empiezo, I start, el primer semestre, the first semester, del año escolar of the school year en agosto, in August. Okay, so that's it for this one. And as always, thanks for watching. Make sure to check out the Quizlet. Thanks for watching. So now it's your turn to practice Spanish. You can find the lessons Quizlet by going into the lecture resources folder. Thanks for watching.